Hello friends, in this tutorial video we will learn how to create a document in Adobe Photoshop. Let's begin with the application.
Open Adobe Photoshop by clicking on this icon here. Once the application is ready to use, go to the File menu and click on New. You can also use keyboard shortcut, that is Ctrl-N, to open New Document Creation window. The first text box is for providing document name. By default, it will be named as Untitled 1. After typing the document name, select Predefined presets from this drop-down menu. These are few presets available here like default Photoshop size, US papers, international papers, photos, web, etc. For example, when you select US papers, there is a subcategory option will get activated below, from where you can select paper sizes, that is letter, legal and tabloid. Next, there is the width and height of the document, where there is a need for a custom sized document or artboard. You can simply type in here to create a custom sized document in Photoshop. You can also select a unit of measurements from this right drop-down menu. Different types of measurements are available here, that is pixels, inches, centimeters, millimeters, points, picas and columns. Same way you can type the required height here. Next here is resolution. This unit defines the clarity and quality of the image and artwork. For web and digital media it is 72 pixels per inch and for printing media it is 300 pixels per inch. You can also change these settings to pixels per centimeter if required. Next is the color mode, which defines the base of the document. There are few types here, that is bitmap, grayscale, RGB, CMYK and lap color. You can also select document bit, that is 1 bit, 8 bit, 16 bit and 32 bit. Most important is to specify the background content. Here you have options like, first here we have white color which is default in Photoshop. Second, you can select any color from this option as per your requirements. Third is transparent. It is also explained as no background or empty area. Next you have an advanced section below here, for which I will share a detailed video soon. On this right section, it shows document size in MB, that is megabyte. Higher resolution and document dimension increases the document size. Last option here you see is for saving the presets, that is the dimension and other units that you have mentioned here for using it in future. Once you are done with all these settings, simply click on OK and your document is ready to work on. That's all for this video. Visit our website hometrainer.in and stay subscribed to our YouTube channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.